Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a beer called Golden Monkey. But before we do, and you end up liking the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more great beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So, a few notes on the beer. This little message here, I took an image of it and blew it up so I could see it. And this is what it says. Nose is loaded with Belgian yeast character of banana and clove, equally fruity body balanced with a light earthy hop character, savor notes of orange and spice, followed by a dry finish. It also says malts is a Pilsner malt and the hops Tettnang. So that's what's on the bottle. I did not find anything else. No date, no nothing. It does say the brewmaster's names. Bill and Ron. So if you see Bill and Ron, tell them I said hi. So I got a new big mug. This will hold the big ones. So this company, I believe, is out of Pennsylvania. I could be wrong. I have a 1 in 50 chance of being right, because I do believe it's in the United States. But do we care where it's from? Honestly, I don't care. I just hope it tastes good. This is a 9.5% beer, and it's got 25 IBUs, if my memory serves me right. And that doesn't say that on the bottle, you just gotta find it. Pretty sure it doesn't say it. Doesn't say much on the bottle, except Victory. Taste Victory. I got a lot of small printing here, and I just don't know why they have small printing. Most people ain't gonna be able to read that. Pretty sure most people will not be able to read that. I went to their website. There's quite a few different brews that they have. Some really strange names, if I remember right. They all had the name Monkey in it. I don't know why they're so obsessed with monkeys. No clue. But let's see what this thing looks like. Now if you want to save your bottle caps, this is the way to open bottle caps, because it does not damage them. That thing's perfectly straight. If you look at that, isn't that straight? Looks perfect. Hell yeah. This glass holds a lot of beer. All kinds of beer. 9.5%. This could be a strong beer. It's okay. I don't mind strong beers. It's a little hazy. just a little. Got tons of carbonation though. I could see my fingers through. I could see the light through. As you can see, it's kind of a golden color, golden yellowish. Little bit of head there on the top. Smells a little yeasty. Smells like a wheat beer. See, this mug must hold quite a bit, because that can hold quite a bit more. We just found this mug yesterday. Well, definitely has a funky flavor. Oh boy. This is one of those beers so it's a Belgian-style triple ale with added spice. Oh boy. This is if you like beer that tastes like a normal average beer, you know, beers that were around 20, 40 years ago, Budweiser, Michelob, the old Michelob, Busch. This doesn't taste anything like it. Not anything like it. When you start getting these weird flavors in beer, and I think I read off a few fruits, but I really don't taste them. I just taste shit. And if I offended anybody because they really like it, you should probably go to the doctor. Loaded with Belgian yeast character of banana and clove, with an equally fruity body balance with a light earthy hop character. Savor notes of orange and spice, followed by a dry finish. Reminds me of some wheat beers. Just different. This ain't my thing. Now, why would you want a banana flavor in a beer? A lot of these beers I taste, it's like, I don't get it. did somebody years ago say, God damn, I love beer, but I sure wish it had a banana flavor in it. And then some microbrew dude said, I can make that. Why would you make this crap? It's just a weird flavor. Just weird. Oh no, this ain't the stuff. When we grew up, a lot of us, we were drinking way before we were old enough. We'd buy these kegs and go out to different areas drinking these kegs. And you got choices of so many different beers. You know, you had Budweiser, Schmidt. I don't know if they even make Schmidt anymore. Haven't seen them for ages. But I think Schmidt, we got the best deal. But nobody ever said, hey, do you have any beer that tastes like bananas? Who thinks of this crap? Man, I tell you, I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Hopefully I'll remember this so I don't ever buy this again. It is, the thing that's good about it, by the time you're about down here, you have enough into you, maybe a little further, that when you get down there, you won't really taste it. So you'll think it's good. And if you like this beer, I think you just like the name. I don't think you really like the beer. And if it pissed anybody off, it's just the way it goes, you know. I tend to do that pretty easy. I would give this beer, a 1. And if I like beers that taste weird and taste like shit, I'd probably give it a 10. But that'd be kind of weird. So I'd say this is a not good for the monkey boys, wherever they're at, whoever they are, Bill and somebody. Take a look at this again. Bill and Ron. So I hate to shit on Bill and Ron's parade, but such is life. So I think that's going to do it here. Thanks for joining me again today. And if you're a fan of this, go see your doctor. Your taste buds are all fucked up. So we'll see you next time. Peace.